Western Online is the online platform used at WIU to deliver course content. Many instructors use Western Online to administer assignments and quizzes, as well as update grades, share course announcements, and conduct class discussions. You'll use Western Online almost daily while at WIU. To access Western Online, go to wiu.edu. On the home page, click the drop-down box in the top right corner. Select Western Online. Sign in using your WIU eCom username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see a home page with a display of the courses you are currently enrolled in, with the course number, name of the course, the professor's name, the class meeting day and time, and the class location. Make sure you are looking at the correct semester. If you scroll down, you will see a section on the left side of the page under the heading My Courses. Your classes for the current semester will be listed here as well. Once you have selected the course that you want to look at, there will be a navigation bar at the top that provides links to course-specific tools. The contents on the navigation bar may change depending on the course. By clicking Content, you can view course materials, a course overview, topics that are bookmarked, and the course schedule. When you click Assessments, you will see a drop-down menu for assignments, quizzes, and more. Make sure you keep an eye on this area to submit assignments on time. Resources will have information provided by your instructor that will help you find success in their course. Some instructors will provide information here, others will provide that information during class. Communication is where you will want to go to get course announcements, complete required discussions, and send or check emails sent through Western Online. Finally is the Grade Tools tab. Here, you can go see a list of classmates who are also enrolled in this course, and look at your gradebook for the assignments you have completed, as well as graded items in the course may also include the instructor's comments on your assignment. One of the most common things that students use Western Online for is to submit assignments. To submit an assignment, click Assignment on the toolbar. Click the assignment title, select Assignment, scroll to the bottom of the page, click Add a File, select the file's location in either My Computer or My Locker, drag and drop your file onto the Upload box area or select Upload to select the saved document from your device. Click Add, then click Submit. You will get a submission confirmation, then click Done. Another popular tool instructors love to use on Western Online is class discussions. To interact in class discussions on Western Online, click the drop-down Discussions tab from Communication on the course toolbar. Click the discussion topic to make a discussion post, as well as view and reply to your classmates' posts. To create a new discussion post response, click Start a New Thread. Enter a title, then type your discussion post in the box. You can also attach files by clicking Add Attachments. Next, click Post to add your message to the class discussion thread. To respond to a classmate's discussion post, click their post title, scroll to the bottom of the page, click Reply to Thread, type your response, then click Post. Take some time to practice navigating Western Online before your classes begin. Our video only covered a small portion of what Western Online can do. Get in the habit of checking Western Online daily to stay up to date on course materials, submit assignments, and engage in course discussions. This tool will play a big part in your success at WIU, and we want you to be familiar, comfortable, and prepared when using it.